Love, light and peace to you. Love, light and peace to you. I have been trying so hard to do a video. It's been driving me nuts because the weather's been good. We've had people sitting outside, so I've not been able to do one outside. And being in the houses can be sometimes be a real nuisance because of a very noisy Ziggy who likes to be very narcissistic to me. He likes to get my attention, and he wants me to give him attention. Even talking about him, he knows I'm talking about him, and he will carry on and on and on. So I can't do this video. It's so frustrating, so frustrating. I feel like shouting, but it doesn't work because the parrot will repeat you. So if I tell him to shut up, he will start shouting shh, shut up and all that lot. So it doesn't work. Does not work. Ziggy, shut up! Shut up! Stop! Ziggy! Put cover over you in a minute, I will. Hey! I want to cover over you. Be quiet.